Hello everyone, myself Priyanka Nangrai, Assistant Professor KCT's Krishna College of Pharmacy Karad. Today I am going to discuss with you the topic that is filtration. Filtration, if you see the definition of filtration, it is defined as a process in which solid particles present in a suspension are separated from the liquid, which is either the liquid or a gas, by using porous medium. तर इथे आपण बघू शकता फ्लुइड म्हणजेच लिक्विड किंवा गॅस या दोन्हीमध्येही सॉलिड पार्टिकल्स हे असतात आणि हे सॉलिड पार्टिकल्स जेव्हा आपण या फ्लुइडमधून सेपरेट करतो त्या प्रोसेसला आपण फिल्ट्रेशन असं म्हणतो. सो फ्लुइड इट मे बी लिक्विड ऑर गॅस. So when the solids are present in a very small proportion, that is not exceeding 1%, the process of its separation of liquid is called as a clarification. So here again the definition of a clarification is also given. Clarification, it is a process where amount of solids to be separated from liquid it is less than 1%, and in case filtrate is a primary product. जेव्हा आपलं सॉलिड कंटेंट जे आहे लिक्विडमधलं हे ज्या वेळेला 1% पेक्षाही कमी असतं आणि ते ज्या वेळेला आपण सेपरेट करतो दॅट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ clarification process. Now next is what is the actual process of your filtration. So here you can see one beaker is given in which slurry is placed. So slurry, it is nothing but it is the mixture of your liquid and solid particles, that is called as a slurry. Now this is the liquid media or the suspension we can say which is going to be filtered. So for filtration we are using some filter medias. Filter medias, for example sand, cotton, these are the filter mediums. So the porous medium used to retain the solids is known as a filter medium. It may be sand, it may be cotton, it may be filter paper. Likewise the examples of filter medium are there which are used to retain the solids and it is called as a filter medium. Now next part of the filtration process is your filter cake. So the solid which gets collected on the filter is called as a filter cake. So here you can see the processing of filtration. We have placed the funnel on which the filter medium, that is filter paper, is kept, and we are pouring the liquid to be filtered on that particular filter paper. So it will get strained with the liquid which is a clear one, which is called as filtrate, and whatever the solids retained on your filter medium it is called as a filter cake. So the clear liquid passing through the filter medium is known as a filtrate. So these are all the components or the parts of your filtration unit. Now next we will discuss in detail about the filter media. So if you see the definition of filter media, it is the surface upon which solids are retained in the process of filtration is known as a filter medium. So the selection of filter media is depends upon the quantity of the material to be filtered, nature of the product to be filtered, and the size of the solid particles to be retained on the filter media. These are the different properties associated with your filter media on which basis we can select the suitable filter medium for our process. Then next one again parameter which is responsible for the filtration, that is selection of filter media, is depends upon the purpose of filtration. For which purpose we are going to do the filtration, depending upon that we have to select the suitable filter media. Now which are the ideal characteristics of this filter media that we are going to discuss. First one is it should not absorb the constituents of the liquid undergoing filtration. तुम्ही जे लिक्विड तुमच्या फिल्टर मीडियामधून पास करणार आहे त्या लिक्विडमधले जे ॲक्टिव्ह कन्स्टिट्युएंट्स आहेत ते त्या फिल्टर मीडियामध्ये ॲब्झॉर्ब झाले नाही पाहिजेत, अशा प्रकारचा फिल्टर मीडिया आपल्याला यूज करायचा आहे. सो शुड नॉट ॲब्झॉर्ब द कन्स्टिट्युएंट्स ऑफ द लिक्विड अंडरगोईंग फिल्ट्रेशन. इट शुड बी रेजिस्टंट टू द करोजिव्ह ॲक्शन ऑफ द लिक्विड. म्हणजे काय की जर तुमचं लिक्विड हे स्ट्रॉंग ॲसिडिक असेल, फॉर एक्झाम्पल ते HCl असेल, तर HClमुळे फिल्टर पेपर जर तुम्ही वापरला HCl फिल्ट्रेशन करायला तर तो जळून जाईल. सो इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ करोजिव्ह ॲक्शन ऑफ दॅट पर्टिक्युलर लिक्विड. So to withstand the corrosive action of that particular liquid, we have to select the suitable filter media. We can use the membrane filters in that case, or we can use any glass wool for the filtration of such kind of a liquids. So it should be, whatever filter media you are using, it should be resistant to the corrosive action of the liquid. Next criteria is it should have a smooth surface for easy discharge of the cake. Whatever cake is going to be accumulated on your surface of your filter medium, it should be easily removed to increase the flow of liquid while carrying out the filtration. So it should have a smooth surface for easy discharge of the cake. It should allow the free flow of liquid. So whatever cake is going to be formed on your filter media, it should be also a porous in nature, so that it should allow the flow of liquid in a easiest manner. That is also one of the ideal characteristics of the filter media. It should be resistant to the chemical reaction with the contents of the liquid to be filtered. So it should be inert in nature. Whatever filter media you are using, it should be inert in nature, so that it will not form any kind of a chemical reaction with the contents of the liquid to be filtered. And last one is it should have sufficient mechanical strength. So sufficient mechanical strength is required to resist the damage that occurs during the filtration of the liquid under pressure. So it should have a sufficient mechanical strength also. So these are the characteristics associated with your filter media. So this is the one part of our filtration unit. Next part, that is theories of filtration, we will cover in the next video. So keep watching this channel for more knowledge and easiest way of learning. Thank you.